In FL Studio, importing MIDI files can be done in two main ways, depending on your needs. The first method, option 1, is ideal for importing a single-channel MIDI file directly into an existing instrument channel while working on a track. To do this, open the piano roll of your channel by right-clicking on it in the channel rack window and selecting Piano Roll. Then, click the arrow at the top left of the piano roll to open the menu and choose File Import MIDI File. Alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl plus M Browse to your MIDI file's location. Select it and click Open. For option 2, which is perfect for multi-channel MIDI files, simply go to File option located here, then navigate to Import and select MIDI file in the Global FL Studio menu. Browse to your MIDI files folder, select the MIDI file and click Open. In the Import MIDI Data dialog box, uncheck Start New Project unless you want to start a new project. Choose Import All Tracks for a full import, or select specific channels as needed. Click Accept. This will create a new channel for each part in the MIDI file. With both options, you can now work on each MIDI channel individually and in an organized manner. That's it. Now you can seamlessly incorporate MIDI files into your FL Studio projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.